Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a few things that you can do in order to take high resolution photos on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So let's head to the camera, and the first thing that you can do is make sure that you use proper resolution, or actually the highest resolution in the mode. So if you want to use the default photo mode, make sure to use 3:4 aspect ratio, as this one gives the best results. We will take the highest resolution possible within this mode. And if you're looking for even better quality, then of course you should use the Pro mode, where you have additional options over here at the bottom of the screen. Of course, at first they might be quite difficult to learn them, but if you spend some time with them, then surely you can also learn how to take the best photos. Once again, keep in mind that the aspect ratio should be 3:4 to have the best possible resolution, but in addition to that, we should also change the file format. In the middle at the top over here, you can tap to change the format, and by default you should have the JPG set, but you should change to RAW in order to get the highest quality possible. And of course, in addition to that, if you want to use as much megapixels as possible, then you want to go to more, and then over here you have ultra resolution, and then you can use this one. However, I think the best one that you can actually use is the Pro with the RAW format. In addition to that, of course, we need to take care of such aspects as a proper lighting. If you are not in a room or in a space area or wherever where there is sufficient source of light and the lighting is bad, then you can always turn on the flashlight over here in the top left corner, and then you can set it to always on or to automatic. So of course, this is not really necessary all the time to use it, but it might come useful in certain situations, so keep that in mind. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.